Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today, if you've been following the progress of the finger, the step 1, this is how it's looking. I'm feeling a lot better now, and we are ready to get him to crafting. Now let's jump into today's video. Now we're gonna take different pieces of wood, and we also have popsicle sticks, and we have stir sticks, pieces of stir sticks. And as you can see, I cut them in different sizes and angles. You can do whatever you want and however you want. You can make your houses different than mine, or you can just add 45-degree angles to make this type of house. And we're gonna start adding pieces of stir stick that I cut to our roof. And for that, as you can see, I'm using my hot glue gun, adding lots of hot glue, and then adding the pieces of stir stick. And now we're gonna move on to another house that I cut using the same 45-degree angle, and I'm adding popsicle sticks. As you can see, I'm leaving a little bit more to the front so it looks like an actual ceiling. And we're gonna continue adding them until we cover all of it. And we're gonna add and make different type of houses. If you like what you see here and you like modern farmhouse and boho decor, hit that subscribe button, because we are gonna bring lots of those, and also seasonal decor. And I'm about to start with my fall decor, and I'm so excited. And now I'm gonna continue adding another row of those popsicle sticks. And I'm gonna cut the excess and move on to my other house, and I'm using just bigger popsicle sticks, gluing them, pieces of them, and adding my roof. For this, you can use any leftover wood you have at home, and that's awesome because we always have a little bit of stir sticks, popsicle sticks, etc. Now I'm just using pieces of stir sticks to make the bases of my homes. And as you can see, I'm just gluing them. You can glue them any way you want them, but those are the spacings that I just decided. Now I'm adding doors to my homes, and for that I'm using popsicle sticks, and I'm just cutting pieces of them and gluing them to my homes. And now I'm gonna make a barn door for this one, and for that I'm using those skinny sticks from Walmart and cutting pieces of them, and I'm gonna cut 3 pieces of those. And then after I cut that, I'm gonna use those and measure another one so I can get another stir stick crust, like crisscross, yeah, something like that. And I'm gonna start gluing them to my house like that. And then I will add the top one, and that will be it. Then we're gonna move on to adding our chimneys, and I'm so in love with those. I just used some of the handles from the sponge brushes. I saved those and I cut them on a 45-degree angle, and now I'm gluing them just like that. They look so cute. And now we're gonna move on to painting, and I'm using hazelnut from Waverly, and we're gonna give it a good coat of hazelnut all around our houses. Now I'm gonna let you enjoy the painting process. After we paint them and let them dry, I'm going to use burnt umber mixed with water so I can make the burnt sides of a gingerbread cookie. You know that when you put them in the oven, you will not have an even color. You will have like burnt sides and some things like that. So I'm just doing that same effect to my paint. And for that, I'm using a paintbrush, just smudging some of that paint there, and then I'm just using my finger to like no, it's not that word, like brush it all around, and it gives you like an inked effect. And now I'm gonna use white to make our windows. And as you can see, I can't decide where I'm gonna start. And now I'm making my windows, and I'm making all the details in white. Cute round window on the top. And now that I have them, I'm gonna add a doorknob. This is the last part of the Christmas in July DIY challenge hosted by my beautiful friend Tamara from Love My Babies Forever, and also from Shushana from Regal Designs by Shushana and the Cleaning Queen. The links for their channels and also to the playlist for this challenge, you will find it in the description box down below. Go and check it out. Now that they are dried and painted, we're going to start adding the core to our houses, and I'm using small Christmas trees, pine cones, couple of snowflakes. Also, I'm using some pipe cleaners, and now I have encountered an issue. Last week I have an issue with the power, and we lost power for like 4 hours, and I was crafting as always. And my hot glue gun died, and now I'm just touching her to see if she's hot, and she's not heating up. So I'm so sad I lost her. Those were 12 wonderful years she gave me. But now, using my mom's, I'm gonna start gluing my thingies to my houses, and you will see a new hot glue gun soon enough. And I'm gonna continue adding. You can add anything you want to your houses, but I'm just decorating them with these things I had at home. And now I'm using spackling to make faux snow, and as you can see, I'm struggling with it. But I fixed that one, and I also got a grip on how to add it so it looks like frosting from a gingerbread house. So that's why I'm just trying to use the spackling so it looks just like royal icing. And we're gonna continue adding until we have covered all the places that it should have the frosting. Just like that. And we can use our fingers, different tips for our bag, or we can use a spoon. Anything you have at hand, it will work. And you continue adding until you finish with them. Now let me show you this beauty, and I'm gonna add that in for these ones to arrive so I can add them to the bare spots of my houses. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, we have a mini village over here, and this is how they are looking. I'm gonna give you a closer look on each and every single one of them. I'm so in love with these houses. They are so cute. Look at them. The glitter that I added with the spray paint just made them look perfect. Look at that. It's the cutest thing ever. They look like gingerbread houses. So cute. Remember that in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you all the links to the playlist and also to our host channels. I just want to take this opportunity to thank both of them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I had so much fun on the Christmas in July challenges. And I created these beauties, and I'm so excited. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.